Good evening. K. Yogi Vinodanand, your friend. Strive for the best. Headstand, arms together. 84 लाख योनियाँ, 84 लाख आसन, कुछ ऋषि मुनियों के नाम पर, जैसे आपके हो गए मस्तेंद्र ऋषि जी हुए, फिर गोरक्ष नाथ जी के नाम पे गोरक्ष आसन। तो आइए आज बेस्ट, सबसे बड़ा स्ट्राइव फॉर द बेस्ट में दोबारा बोलूँगा, हेड स्टैंड किंग आसन, फिर सिद्ध आसन। मेन आसन है आपके समाधि में जाने के लिए, ध्यान के लिए, मन को एकाग्र करने के लिए पद्म आसन, लोटस पॉस्चर, और उससे भी बड़ा नंबर 1 इज सिद्ध आसन। आज उसका हम अभ्यास करेंगे और उसके बाद आप हेड स्टैंड में आ सकते हैं मेरे साथ। ये पोर्शन, द पर्पस इज टू स्टॉप द चैटरिंग ऑफ द माइंड, मन को रोकना। तो अष्टांग योग में आपका मन, वीर्य, प्राण, तीनों मन के एक ही माला के हैं। तो पहले ब्रह्मचर्य का पालन। तो आइए सबसे पहले आप ध्यान जो घंटों करते हैं वो मिनटों में कैसे होगा। ब्रह्मचर्य का पालन और आपका सिद्ध आसन। सिद्ध मीन्स परफेक्शन, oh that takes you to the Lord, salvation. Oh, so here I go, Siddhasan. Look at me, then you can join me for headstand without moving any limb. So it's a part time of my practice and Siddhasan today. Here, ये देखिए, ये सिवनी नाड़ी कहलाती है हमारे। ये देख लीजिए ध्यान से, हमारे टेस्टिकल्स और ये जो आपका मल द्वार है, इसके बीच में सिवनी नाड़ी है, जहाँ से हमारा वीर्य स्खलन होता है। तो क्या करना है, ये देखिए, एक एड़ी आपने क्या करनी है, ये दाईं या बाईं ले लीजिए, इसको सिवनी को प्रेस करना है। ये देखिए मैं सिवनी प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, सिवनी नाड़ी, या अच्छे से प्रेस हुआ। दूसरे को क्या करना है, पैर को ध्यान से देखिए, इसको इसके ऊपर रखना है। आई शो यू अगेन, सिवनी, ये प्रेस हुई, या इसके बाद इस अंगूठे को पिंडलिनी और जंघा के बीच में इसको उठाना है। इस एड़ी के ऊपर लिंगेंद्री इन दोनों के बीच में आएगी। एड़ी, इस एड़ी और ये अंगूठा यहाँ छुप जाएगा। देखिए ये पिंडलिनी और जंघा, ये जो अंगूठा है इसको यहाँ छुपा लीजिए अच्छे से, या पिंडलिनी जंघा। हियर, बाएं हाथ पे दायां हाथ, या ज्ञान मुद्रा। सो ये आपका सिद्ध आसन हुआ। जो ध्यान हमारा 1 घंटे में लगेगा, सिवनी नाड़ी सीधा ही मन का कंट्रोल है, जहाँ से हमारा वीर्य पतन होता है। फिर इसमें लघिमा, एक हाथ के ऊपर दायां रखेंगे, लघिमा, ज्ञान मुद्रा में दिखा रहा हूँ, उसमें गरिमा, भारीपन आता है। अगेन आप देख सकते हैं। फिर हेड स्टैंड 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, फिर आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा बिना हिले हुए। हो, हियर आई गो। यहाँ लघिमा, ये गरिमा। ओ, फोकसिंग भ्रू मध्य में। सो हियर आई गो फॉर माई हेड स्टैंड। ये हिस्सा टच करना है। द बेस्ट टाइम, सुषुम्ना is open, Sandhya. So here I go. No movements of the limbs, not even blinking your eyes. Try with me 15 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, and then come to Shavasana posture. Or you can go in the swimming pool, Plavani, floating. So here I go, join me, touch this. There you are. Show. Flexibility के लिए you can come here. See, Padmasan, exhalation, inhalation. Look at me again. Exhalation, सांस पूरा बाहर निकाला, होल्ड किया, inhalation, अब मोशनलेस हो जाइए, नो मूवमेंट्स एट ऑल। पद्मासन में फिर स्ट्रेट, यहाँ भस्त्रिका कर सकते हैं। The best time for your practice. It's a message to my solar powered yoga tigers. Again I'll repeat, in Hindi we call it urdhvreta, means taking your the part, that is Simon, upwards. And whom is the jap you can do. Whom is the sound for Bajrangbali and Lord Shiva. You can see when I pronounce whom, Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh automatically happens. Look at me. Whom, 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 H-O-O-M. It's Lord Shiva's Hunkar in Indian mythology. As for the foreigner friends, they are missing the tantra, the sounds, the mantras. So here I am doing Bij mantra. This is your seed mantra for par. See, when I pronounce whom, Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh automatically happens. And you have to check your Sushmana. If both the nostrils are flowing, the best time for meditation. Here I go. Whom, 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 whom. Again exhale. Perfect. Hold here. Inhale. Wow, the chirping. Welcome to India. For liberation. Again, whom? Little Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is a part of Shat Karmas. Kapalbhati, I repeat. Kapalbhati, Neti, Dhoti, Bastik, Tratak and Nolik. Nolik is the rotation of the stomach. Here I go for Kapalbhati. Exhale, apply bandhas, Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh. Wow. Now breathing normal. Yeah, you can keep repeating whom. Again I repeat, dusk and dawn. Before sunset and before sunrise. Now see, the sun is about to set. you can find your Sushmana is flowing. Sushmana means channel of knowledge. You can check here both the nostrils should be comfortably flowing. You can practice your Ujjayi from here for thyroid, any throat problems, obesity, you can say. Exhale through the throat, inhale through the throat, exhale through the nostril, inhalation through the throat. I am doing Ujjayi. It's here. Exhale. So it is like that. It's all for flexibility. Then stay without moving your limbs. Not even blinking your eyes. After 1 hour of headstand, Kevali Kumbhaka happens, suspension of your breath, the culmination of all the pranayamas. It's a message to my foreign friends, yoga tigers. Pranayama is not merely breathing in out. Pranayama, culmination, suspension. The thought process comes to a halt. Welcome to India. All my yoga tigers from USA. How? My Muslim friends even. Denmark, Dubai. Wow, Indonesia. Again try whom. 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 Whom, 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 H-O-O-M. Comfortably you can stay for 1 hour. Then you start enjoying your higher faculties of your mind, beyond dualism. Nothing before 1 hour. For the nervouses, when you feel uncomfortable, you can change position of your legs. But in the true sense, you have to stay in the posture without any movement. It happens after 1 hour. This is your for thyroid. Again try your Padmasana just for flexibility. I'm showing you just for our inhale, exhale here, other inhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Again I repeat, the best time for meditation and pranayama is your dusk and dawn, when your Sushumna is open. From throat you inhale, is for your thyroid. Again I repeat, Ujjayi. Exhale, then inhale. Exhale through the nose. Complete exhale. This through the throat. Complete exhale. Udyan Bandh. Wow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Wow. From here, the Hum, H-O-O-M, Lord Shiva's and Bajrang Bali's seed mantra. Here I go. Hum, 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 Hum. Yeah. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale. Perfect. Kapalbhati is a part of your Shat Karmas and Ashtanga Yoga. I repeat, Kapalbhati, Neti, Dhoti, Basti, Tratak and your Nolik. So this is one of the Shat Karmas. Kapalbhati, Kapal means skull, Bhati means shining. This message of mine is for my foreign friends, Americans especially, Denmark and Dubai. And Indonesia, I'm grateful to Dubai, Indonesian people. They helped me a lot in Bali. So this is to clean your 72,000 channels, nerves. You can apply again from here, Udyan Bandh. Ujjayi for thyroid. Exhale, inhale through the throat. Exhale through the nostrils, nose. So, wow. Well, wow, that's it. So, so the video may not be long. Again, message to all the yoga tigers, those who can really observe celibacy and non-violence especially. Love animals, no violence under all circumstances. This is yoga. Then you'll be led automatically by Lord Krishna, I tell you. In person, if you're observing these yam niyamas, yoga is not merely a science of talks, flowery speeches, or contrived techniques. No, not at all. Here I welcome you. You can join me, K. Yogi Vinodanand, my lineage, Narmadehar, Jabalpur, Shri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi, Baglamukhi Shakti Peeth. Oh, on Beda Ghat Road, it's Narmade. So I welcome you, all the yogis throughout the world. I welcome. Oh, what yoga is. Headstand and liberation, suspension of your breath. No flowery speeches, no techniques, self-made techniques can lead you to stopping the chattering of the mind. That is Kevali Kumbhaka. Again, I repeat, Lord Krishna, time and again. Oh, that is Sankhya Yoga, chapter 18, Shloka 33. I'm a soldier, your brother 70. Feel proud of myself, telling my age, just to imbibe confidence in you. No egoism. So this is your chapter 18, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna. That is, dhrityaya dharate manah pranendriya kriyaha. Yogena vyabhicharanya dhriti sa parth sattviki. Means first firmness, no talks, sattvic firmness, no rigidity, no obstinate errors. That is sattvic firmness. How it happens? With the meditation, yoga meditation, control on the function of your senses, your mind, and your prana. Again, prana is not mere words. Prana, pana, samana, udan, vyan. I am talking, my tongue moving, thinking, making videos. You are listening, it's all prana. You go to, you are yourself Brahma. You are taking birth, you are dying, you are taking birth again. It's all your Leela. Aham Brahmasmi. Don't run after any, mob mentality. This is Ashtanga Yoga, game of tigers. Follow the tigers. If you follow jackals, you become jackal. I repeat, a man is known by the company he keeps. In your mind, keep the company of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjun, Lord Krishna, Bhim. That is it. Again, I repeat, a man is known by the company he keeps. And a message for the preachers even. Miles to go before I teach. Miles to go before I sleep, Pandit Nehru. Miles to go before I sleep. And here, message for those who are leading the humanity. Miles to go, miles to births to practice before I preach. Introspect yourself whether you have been conferred the yoga of wisdom by Lord Krishna, and that is your, have you got the knowledge of all the 84 lakh species, your body, your anatomy, all the sciences on this planet? This is Muladhara awakening. Don't run after foolishly. For Kundalini awakening, Muladhara awakening means the knowledge of the whole universe comes as a ball. This is the litmus test paper and a yardstick to measure yourself. So this is I'm striving for that yoga, for the grace of the Lord Krishna, yoga of wisdom. And it comes like this. Headstand, Siddhasana, Padmasana, celibacy, non-violence. In Ashtanga Yoga, non-violence. Not at all. You cannot hurt any living or non-living. Even these trees are giving you oxygen. So thanks for watching. You can join me, Sector 19, Chandigarh, K. Yogi Vinodanand. My lineage, again I tell you, Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi ji, Devra Baba lineage, Narmadehar, I welcome the celibates, the disciplined people, vegetarian, to join me for liberation. Welcome to throughout the world. Any yogi, I welcome you. But no talks, no flowery speeches, no fault finding, just demonstration and liberation. Service to the humanity, all the living creatures. Join me. Welcome you. Your brother again, I repeat, 70. Not only age, full of everything, life, exuberant. Join me. Be a soldier here. See this logo of soldiers. I salute your 13th CRPF. I'm putting there this thing. Yes, in 43 sector. Oh, I feel myself proud. The moment I put these T-shirts of the CRPF soldiers, I feel very brave. Join Indian Army. Welcome. Be a soldier, be a tiger, not a jackal.